we'll gather round, feel the love come down.
Hey guys, so just a very quick video. I have something that I have been working on for like 6 weeks now. I don't know, it's been a while. Anyway, it is going to be released on Black Friday in my eBay shop, so make sure you check it out. I have created a gorgeous Christmas box that is filled with all kinds of goodies. Like, I feel like I thought of everything, or at least I tried to. Um, there are each box, right, is going to have a handmade mold in it. Some of the things that you will have seen on my channel previously, some you have not seen on my channel yet. Maybe depending on how things go, I may bring them out at some point. But anyway, each box has a handmade mold. Each box has at least 2 handmade silicone inlays, my custom mixed glitters. I've included 2 different colors of mica powder by Eye Candy. So this way, those of you that have maybe never tried it before or whatever can try some of their mica powders. Now, the colors that I selected are colors that I feel are beautiful, and I've used them already on my channel. You've seen them. I think that they're great for Christmas. So I have included those. I also have included UV DTF sticker sheets, all kinds of little fun add-ins, finishers, embellishments, rice paper, so that you can do, like, not just everything has to be resin related, right? So there's rice paper. There are some different ornaments. There are some like that you can paint. There are wooden ornaments. There are ornaments made out of eco casting powder that I have made. Paints, the paints that I use, like, I physically hand did each one of the paints, and I selected the colors and all of the things, paintbrushes, different mixing tools, several different glitters. Like I said, some of them are my hand mix, some of them are not. There's so much in this box, and I did have some help, so I need to thank you, Lynn, for helping me get this together. Without you, I'd probably still be like a month out. But anyway, yeah, it is going to be so much fun. They are so cute. I mean, I even hand painted the boxes that they are coming in there. It's a mix. Every box is going to be different. I have made several different, like with the molds, there are several different Christmas ornament molds that are going to be in there. So not every box is going to be the same. Same thing with the mica powders. It's, you know, everyone has 2 different mica powders in them, but all the colors are not the same in each box. Same thing with like the stickers, like everything, it has the same items in it, but not necessarily the same items. Does that make sense? So like the inlays are a combination of a bunch of different inlays that I have personally made. Anyway, it's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of stuff in there. Make sure you check out my eBay store. The numbers are very limited. I only have so many, and then that is it. We'll see how they do, and maybe we come back for the next holiday, next season, next whatever, and put something together. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I think you guys are going to love it. I do. Anyway, I will catch you guys in the next video. No video on Thursday because it is Thanksgiving, so I will be with my family. So we have today's video, and then I will see you guys again on Saturday.
Blue elephant is strong. Together we belong.